So I decided to check on the water system and make a video while I'm at it. As we get closer to the creek, we can see there's some pipes here that I intend to use for a future hydropower generating system. And there's some old tanks there also that are not being used anymore. So here's the creek, and there's a couple of 55-gallon barrels that have been turned into water filters. In looking at the filters, I can see there's no water coming out the overflows. So something is blocking the intake. Here you can see where the water enters the system. It's just a PVC pipe with a piece of metal strapped to it for a handle, and it's connected to the system with a flexible coupling. In lifting the pipe out of the water, I can see there are some maple leaves blocking the pipe. This flexible coupling has come a little loose, so I'm going to tighten it up. My dad, my sister, and brother-in-law and I have all worked on this system and upgraded it over the years. And at this point, this is the best one. While I'm here, I might as well clean out this catch basin. This is a standard PVC pipe plug, and I 3D printed a handle and screwed it on to make it easier to get off of there without using a tool. There's not much debris in there today. Okay, so we have overflow from the water filters.